Mastering modal verbs. Unlocking future possibilities with could. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unlock a crucial aspect of the English language, using could to express future possibility. By the end of this video, you'll have a new tool in your English-speaking toolkit and a better grasp of the nuances of English grammar. Let's get started. Before we dive into how could is used to express future possibility, let's ensure we understand what could means. Could is a modal verb, a special kind of verb that alters the mood, tone, or likelihood of a sentence. Could is the past tense of can, but don't let that fool you. It's often used in contexts other than the past. Today, we'll explore how could helps us discuss possible future events. Could is often used to discuss a situation that is possible or imaginable in the future. This is a hypothetical situation, not guaranteed to happen but possible. For example, I could go to the cinema tonight if I finish my work early. The speaker might not go to the cinema. It depends on whether they finish their work early or not. Could and can both refer to future possibilities, but there's a subtle difference in meaning. Could suggests a possibility that is uncertain or dependent on something else. Can is used when the speaker is more certain the event will occur. Compare these examples. I could go to the beach tomorrow if the weather is good. The speaker is not sure about the weather. I can go to the beach tomorrow because I have the day off. The speaker is sure they have the day off. Could can also be used in questions and negative statements to discuss future possibilities. For example, could we meet tomorrow for lunch? It's a suggestion, not a certainty. I couldn't come to the party unless I get a day off. The speaker might not get a day off. There you have it. Now you know how to use could to express future possibilities. It's a powerful tool that will make your English sound more nuanced and fluent. Remember, language learning is a journey. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement. See you in our next video, and happy learning!